local, late breaking. This is WBAL TV 11 News Saturday morning.
And welcome back. We're doing a little cooking on this Saturday morning, and joining us now is Chef Jim Benson. We are talking about ways to work some of Sagamore Spirit Rye Whiskey into your summer barbecues. Good morning. Thanks for coming.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. Don't think about just chicken and burgers on the grill for your barbecue, right?
No. This year, let's go something fun, something easy, and something that's going to get people talking. So,
absolutely.
Yeah. Lots of great options, and something that you can, when your friends are coming over, you can prep ahead of time, but they're going to go away saying, I'm coming back to your house next year.
Because it was just so good. We're going to talk about some of these dishes in just a moment, but first
Sure.
You're going to make us up some pulled pork crepes.
Yes, yeah, we're going to go a little bit fine dining with something as traditional as pulled pork. So playing off of, a pulled pork sandwich, we're going to mix it up a bit and do it stuffed in a crepe. So first and foremost, we're going to start putting together some of our accompaniments before we start building it. And so this is something great that you can do ahead of time. Again, pulled pork, you're going to be, smoking that for at least around 8 hours, low and slow, as they say.
So we'll go ahead and start with the pork.
Right. So you can start putting that on there. And to that, I'm going to build our slaw. So we have simple red cabbage, Napa cabbage, then building our dressing. So we have some sour cream, we have some whole grain mustard, a little bit of Asian flair with some sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, and then also some salt and pepper to taste. Okay.
And that's a dressing for the cabbage.
Yeah, and that is the dressing. And then as you're building that, you can start to spread some of this truffle mousse. So
I decided more pulled pork was necessary over here, so truffle mousse?
Yeah. So what we did, and you can easily do it at home, some simple mascarpone cheese you can buy at the store, a little bit of softened cream cheese.
Just spread it over it?
Yeah, just spread it over it. Be generous. Yeah. And then some truffle oil, some honey, and then you're going to play off that sweet nature of which goes great with the pulled pork. And then simply combine as your guests arrive so that the slaw is nice and crispy still.
I'm a very messy chef. Sorry about that.
That's what's fun about food. You just
there's a lot of smells going on here too.
Yeah, we want depths of flavor and lots of color. And then with that, you can start to roll it. Simply.
Okay, just start to roll it now.
Just start to roll
just to make it thin like that. Okay.
Exactly.
All right. Now, as I'm rolling this up, I want to talk about these beautiful little things right here. If we can just zoom out the camera just a little bit. What are those?
So we're taking the pressure off the grill for when you're entertaining. We have a wonderful cheeseburger cupcake. And
that's what these are right here. Those look so good.
So you have this wonderful, beautiful burger in one bite, right? But with all the different flavors that you're used to. So we have a little bit of dry mustard in there. We have some ketchup in the base, but caramelized onions and like a beautiful ground chuck, some cheddar cheese that's aged, and it's just delicious with some aioli and also some Sagamore Spirit barbecue sauce that we love to use in the kitchen.
And these babies?
Buffalo chicken egg rolls. You can't have a wonderful outdoor picnic without something as traditional as that. So we have some blue moon braised celery and roasted chicken, and of course some blue cheese and wing sauce.
You are speaking our language here, Chef.
And then we're going to finish it with a little bit of our slaw.
Wow.
Exactly. Yeah. We need to wow people.
So good.
Then we have our toasted sesame seeds, and of course, what would be complete without some of that barbecue sauce again.
Infused with a little something good.
A little bit of whiskey to get your attention,
I mean, and you're going to wake us up with our forecast too,
Yes,
right?
it's going to be very hot throughout the entire weekend. We have that heat advisory tomorrow where the humidity will certainly increase through early next week. So get ready for a hot few days ahead.
All right, Chef, thanks so much for joining us, giving us some great ideas.
It's a pleasure.
Thanks for joining us.
Today's show's next.